Hello, this is Dave Peterson with TC Life Safety. And I saw something come in through Instagram yesterday from our friends in Kidda in Canada. And it was this little family escape plan reminder, you know. One of the things that I know Victoria and her mom videos, and we've also been touting, is that you need to talk to your family and make a plan of escape and have a place outside where you're going to meet. This is a pretty good little reminder. But it also reminded me of going into buildings in my career and having, in professional buildings, industry, whatever, and having their escape plans in clear plastic envelopes or folders like this with a thumbtack on the wall, so that every time somebody walks by, it waves in the breeze, or somebody brushes it and it's gone. And if you're the owner of the business, you know that when your insurance company comes by to visit and they don't see these things on the wall, it costs you money. Well, I got a couple of alternatives for you, both from Space Age Electronics. The first one is the CGF, all right, the Code Graphics Frame. It's a 8.5 by 11 that expands out to, like a legal size. It can be mounted, vertically, horizontally. It's got these tabs in the back so you can press out so that whatever you have in there is pressed against the front. It comes with a piece of Lexan, clear Lexan for the front to protect whatever is, behind there. For instance, frame and post from a fire alarm control panel. Says must be posted next to the control. How many times you see these stapled to the wall, taped to the wall, stuck in one of those clear envelopes? You can do a real professional job for not a lot of money with this code frame. If you don't have something that big, if you have some instructions, and I know we have our lockup procedure by the back door. They also make this IRF, which is a 5.5 by 8.5 inch code frame or frame device. Lexan on the front. On the back, it's got double-sided sticky tape. It's got holders for either vertical or horizontal mounting. Nice little piece. I know a lot of people take and put some certificates for their fire alarm panels and just stick it right to the front of the cabinet on the fire alarm. Works great. Real professional. It doesn't take a lot to take something that's stuck on the wall that looks like crap to make it look real professional. TC Life Safety, we have what you need to make your installations slick. Thank you, and have a life safety day. Hey, I really enjoy doing these videos, and I hope you enjoy watching them. If you do, then please do me a favor and give me a thumbs up on the video. If you want to see more of our videos, then hit the subscribe button and you'll be able to log into YouTube and view more of my sage wisdom. And if you want to know when future videos come, then click on the little bell down there, and that'll let you know when the next Ask Dave video comes out. We love it at TC Life Safety when you watch and when you call us and tell us you saw us on YouTube. It's a thrill, and we hope that we're giving you the information that you can use to make intelligent buying decisions. Thank you very much.